Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really exciting announcement to share with you guys that we have found a new house. Now, a few months ago, I shared with you guys here on my channel that we were selling our home and kind of the reasons behind that. And a bunch of you guys asked me to keep you updated on our house hunting, rebuying process. So I am here to let you guys know that we did find a house. We are under contract. It is a new construction home, so it is currently being built. Of course, you know, I don't like to really announce things that until like they're official and we've signed on the dotted line and we have keys in hand. But it's also really hard to hide when, like, on my Instagram stories, I might share some things. And so I felt like it was finally time to tell you guys, although it is not complete yet. So the house is still being built. We've done all the necessary things leading up to this point, but of course we have not closed yet. So I would appreciate your guys' prayers that everything would go smoothly and seamlessly and that we would have an easy, efficient transaction. We are expected to move into our new home pretty much like in the next 60 days. So it's getting kind of close, 60 to about 75 days. So it is getting close, and I am going to be sharing a bunch of new house decor hauls with you guys here on my channel because I have been picking up some things for our new space. I'm really excited about our house. And I will insert a few clips from the model home that I have recorded. Now, this is not our exact house. We've chosen some different options, but you'll get an idea of the floor plan. And if you guys want to continue to see and hear about the moving process in our new house and decorating our new house, and you're interested in things like that, give me a thumbs up because I'm kind of debating on continuing to share that or not continuing to share that if that's something that interests you. But like I said, we are really excited. The home is a little over 2,700 square feet, so it's about 600 square feet bigger than our previous house, but the square footage really isn't always the thing that makes the house. It's the use of the square footage. And so the way that the square footage is used in this house, I feel like, is a lot more efficient. And the things that we were looking for as our kids get older, like just needing a more open kitchen space and things like that, this house really accomplishes that. The house also is in an area that has a lot of features as far as parks and pools and amenities, and so it's a really exciting time for us. So we are really excited to be purchasing our next home. We expect, Lord willing, that we will be here for a while. So we're just really excited about it. Also really nervous because, you know, getting mortgages and things like that is kind of nerve-wracking, even when there really isn't any reason to be nervous. It's just because it's like, it's a huge purchase and you want to hear like what everything's going to be fine, and you kind of have to wait until the very end. And so we're a little on edge, but I wanted to share it with you guys because it is coming up soon. And if I'm filming like a day in the life and I'm packing, I don't want to have to like move the boxes out of the frame. So anyways, I just wanted to share that exciting news with you guys. We actually purchased a new construction home versus a existing home because we wanted to make it ours and not need to move in and remodel something. And so this was the best option for us. So we're really excited, like I said. So thank you guys for sharing in my excitement. I just wanted to make a quick video announcement, and I'll either include the clips that I filmed at the model in the beginning or the end of this video. But like I said, give me a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below if you would like to see like a new home tour when we move in. If you'd like to see like how I'm decorating my kids' rooms, things like that. It would be different content for my channel, but I don't know if you guys would want to see that, so I don't know to just put it up. So let me know, and I will see you guys in my next video really soon. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys. This is the model home of the floor plan of the house that we bought, and this is what sold me on this home, is this gigantic island. I don't think you guys can tell just how big it is. It does have the cabinets all at the bottom, and it's huge, like huge. So obviously this is a model, so we have some different counters and different things that we're gonna have in here, but the kitchen is what sold me on the house. So I will show you guys this once we move into our actual house, but the pantry is dreamy. I can't wait. This is going to be our new school space, and it's a huge area up here, and I'm going to do the IKEA built-in look-alike things all along this wall here, and then those cupboards there will also be for school stuff.